Welcome to an unforgettable adventure off the coast of North Shore, Oahu, where the ocean's most majestic creatures roam freely. Join us as we embark on an exhilarating shark dive experience. Leaving behind the safety of the harbor, our journey takes us past the towering breaker waves, venturing deeper into the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Our vessel, a sturdy 14-person metal boat, carries us through the unpredictable currents as we bear witness to the raw power and beauty of nature. Despite the choppy waves, our spirits remain high, fueled by anticipation of what lies beneath. Arriving at the dive site, we lower ourselves into protective confines of the cage, surrounded by the crystal clear waters teeming with life below. For the next half hour, we are immersed in a world unlike any other. As we peer through the bars of the cage, we are greeted by the graceful presence of the Galapagos sharks, gliding effortlessly through the depths. Their sleek bodies command respect, a testament to their status as apex predators of the sea. With each passing moment, our awe deepens as we encounter a spectacle unlike any other. More than 25 sharks surround us, their graceful movements compared against the harsh reality of human impact. Some carry remnants of fishing debris in their mouths, a poignant reminder of the threats facing these magnificent creatures. As our adventure draws to a close, we're treated to a final surprise, a pod of dolphins gracing us with their playful presence. Their joyous leap serves as a fitting farewell, leaving us with memories that will last a lifetime. As we return to the shore, our hearts are full and our spirits uplifted by the wonders of the ocean. Join us again for another unforgettable journey into the depths where adventure and discovery await at every turn.